According to an insider, the OnePlus 7 and its two variants will arrive in May. We have confirmed model numbers for two rumored Galaxy Note 10s and their 5G variants, and alleged code names for the Google Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL have emerged along with some benchmarks. I'm Jaime Rivera. It's Friday, finally. I actually really needed some time off. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by the Honor View 20. The official news today begin with deals as well, not for everybody, as Best Buy is offering 48 hours of deals for their members, where depending on what you're looking for example, MacBooks, you can get up to $300 off in addition to Google products, etc. I'm not going to bore you with details. You can follow the link in the description and learn more. Now let's talk about Disney, as the company just showed us something that I don't really want, but that I actually do. So think about it as we've heard about their streaming service for the longest time to compete with Netflix. Now we see Disney Plus, and so obviously it's Disney products and it's pretty much the same model that we see on Netflix. The interesting part is when you're currently paying $11 for Netflix and you're just going to pay $6.99 for Disney. So that's when it gets really cool. We'll see how it goes. Now let's talk about the Google Pixel 4, Pixel 4 XL, codenamed Coral and Flame according to benchmarks and information. It seems that we should be expecting these products very soon. Obviously, we're still speculating over what details we're getting. What we do here is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 along with 6 gigabytes of RAM. Google finally welcome to 2019 and 2018 and 2017, and depending on what phone, probably even 2016. So yeah, that's also coming. We just need to know when. And now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, as we've gotten more of a confirmation that indeed there are 4 variants. 2 with 5G, 2 without 5G. Obviously, these will launch in different periods or probably different markets. What's most important is that even though we do hear that there are 2 different sizes for the display, apparently they're not going to be much different. 6.7 inches or above on one of them, 6.2 something inches on the other. So it's not like if we're really getting a really small phone. It's pretty much like the Galaxy S10, the mid-size variant, which in my opinion is really cool. We also hear rumors that we might even get different sizes in the battery, which is even better. We'll see about that. And finally, the hottest news today had to do with the OnePlus 7. We've been covering the possibilities of 3 devices. Now we got a trusted source claiming that yes, that at least 2 devices will be launched in May, that the slogan for the event will be "Go Beyond Speed," which, okay, awesome. And that there is a 3rd variant, but we're not exactly sure when we're getting that one. And at least my personal speculation is that we're probably getting 2 right now. And then the other one will be the T variant that might be even that 5G phone. That's just me. I don't have any solid information for that. That's my opinion. But in the comments down below, let us know what you think. What do you think that OnePlus is planning on doing with these 3 phones? What do you think the launch is going to be? And what do you think they mean by "Go Beyond Speed"? Because what? Is it speed of light or what? Let us know in the comments down below. I think we're on to something cool, and the rumors are that we're getting this in May. And folks, this episode of the Pocketnow Daily is sponsored by the Honor View 20. This has proven to be one of our favorite phones of the year thanks to its gorgeous and unique back design, a whopping 48 megapixel camera that brings in awesome night mode, along with an ultra clarity mode for better photos in all scenarios. It's one of the first with a time of flight sensor for state-of-the-art 3D sensing and better portraits. It's also one of the first with a hole punch design for the selfie camera, and one of the smallest we've seen in the market. Price this plus its powerful Kirin 980 processor just $600, and this is why this phone is just hard to beat. Follow the link in the description below to learn more about what makes the Honor View 20 so cool. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.